Hey guys, it's Lem here again, your Amazon guide. Today we are going to be checking out this chandelier light bulb. The one I have right now on my chandelier is the daylight, and the one I just received is the warm white. So let's see the difference, because from my experience with the daylight light bulb, they're quite bright. So we're going to test the warm white and see if there's a big difference. All right. So here is the package, LED light bulb. So based on the internet, usually when it comes to dining room setup, the light should be warm light. All right, so this is the one right here. And there she is. I'm just gonna get gloves so that I don't smear the light bulb. You know, can you grab me gloves? And in the meantime, I could show you guys the daylight light bulb. So this here is my chandelier that I just recently installed. There it is. And I'll show you guys the brightness. It is quite bright, guys. Okay, I'm just going to turn off the light. All right, so it's very dark, and there it is. Super bright. And if I do turn the other lights on, our ceiling lights, you can really see the difference that the light doesn't match. See, as you can see on the right side there. Hold on, let me just lower this. There is the light, our ceiling lights, and you can see the tone is completely off. So hopefully the one that we just got here, the soft or warm white, will match the whole setup that we have here. All right, so give me some time to install it, or if you guys want to see me install it, we can do that. We'll grab the old ones out and put the new ones in. So all you need to do is just turn it. Oh, I just want to show you guys the difference here, the color. You could see the color difference. This is the daylight, and this is the warm white. Okay, let's put this on. Or you know what? We could even turn the light on just to show you guys the tone of the light. Pinok, can you turn that on? The rest, turn off the lights and turn the middle. There you go. See, you can see the, oh, whoa, you're so close up here. But you can see the tone of the light bulb. I don't know if you guys could see it here, but you can see one of the light bulb is more of a warm white. Okay, let me just finish everything, or maybe do half, so you guys could see a comparison. So I changed 5 light bulbs. Let's see now. Hopefully there is a difference. All right, so as you can see, it's quite hard in the camera, guys. Very hard to tell. But you could tell that it's much softer, way softer than the daylight. It's much softer. It's really hard to justify in the camera here, but I will definitely stick with the soft white or warm white. So I'm just gonna finish everything up here. So we got everything installed. Now let's check it out. Oh yeah, much better.
Yeah, better.
Much better, guys.
It doesn't do justice, but it's much better.
It is so much better. It doesn't hurt the eyes. It just gives you that atmosphere of very homey. And when you compare it with our other lights, it's a little bit more of a warmer side. So let's see here. You see that? And then over here. But again, it doesn't justify on the camera. But it looks so much better, guys. So much better. Okay. So if you guys are interested in this product, the links will be down below. And that's pretty much it.